When working with variables in Python, it's important to follow certain naming conventions. These conventions make it easier to read and understand your code, and they also help to avoid potential errors. The following are some of the most common naming conventions in Python. Variables should be named using only lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. Variable names should be descriptive and should not include any abbreviations. Variables should not start with a number. Variables should not contain any special characters, such as way, view, etc. By following these naming conventions, you can ensure that your code is clear and easy to read. Python variables are both the heart and soul of Python programming. Variables are like boxes that hold data in a computer program. We use them to store information, keep track of what we're doing, and make things easier to understand. Variables can take on different types of values: numbers, strings, or text, booleans, true, false, and lists, groups of items, numbers. These are usually used to represent real-world numbers like 5 or 42. They can also be used to represent integers, whole numbers, or decimals. 1/10 of an integer. Strings. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed by single or double quotes. For example, hello world is one string because it contains only one character, but it could be longer if you added more spaces between each letter. Strings may contain other strings as well as any type of object. For example, hello world could contain an integer or string value as well as another string value.